Hey guys, welcome to this video. And I hope you're doing super awesome. This is a little unusual from the content which we usually deliver in this channel. So this is actually a review of this particular stuff, which is Keychron K8 Pro. And if you're thinking why this video, so it's actually I think we are like a family. So what makes me very happy makes you happy as well. So that's the reason I'm sharing this video with you. And that's pretty much it. Once it was a dream to have a keyboard like this, but now I'm having it, so I'm quite happy. So thanks to programming and thanks to you guys. So yeah, let's start the video. Hey guys, finally extremely excited. The new keyboard has arrived. This Keychron K8 Pro. Let me put down my MacBook there. I'm sorry, my desk is usually this unorganized, and I know that. But I think a pen or something like a pointy or something sharp would work. Let me find it out. Oh yeah, I could find a pen. Maybe this pen could help us to get around this keyboard. Oh, the pen broke. Oh shit. Oh, let's focus. Okay, we did manage to kind of like, I have this previous one. It's from Red Dragon. It's this one is actually brown switches and this one is red switch. I have another one which is blue switches, but I think this one is going to be cool because I have never tried a red switch, and that's gonna be cool. Okay, let's take it out. Wait. Okay. Oh, by the way, this looks so cool. The box itself looks amazing. What do you feel like? The box looks cool. This Keychron K8, and these are the specification. It's screw-in stabilizers, hot swappable, something like that, and PVT keycaps, and kind of cool. So this also has Bluetooth 5.1, and yeah, if you would ask me about the cost, this mentioned something like this mentions something like 10,499, but in reality it costed me around 9,200 rupees. So it's like about what to say, 120 $130. I don't know, you can have a conversion between like a 9,200 rupees to like dollars or whatever you follow in your country. Again, we'll be taking the help of this pen, which actually eventually broke, in order to get rid of this. Oh man, this packing. Oh, we did manage to open it up. Oh man, what was wrong with focusing? Yeah, there you go. I think we have this. That's kind of cool. Okay. Okay. And there you go. Oh, just get rid. Like, doing everything with one hand is kind of hard. And it's like Keychron K8 Pro. Features which we have already seen, I believe. This is how it looks. Let's unbox this stuff. Let's open this stuff for the first time. Let me show you from the top, I think. Okay, so let's open this stuff. Okay, just whoa, this looks cool. The quality of the box and stuff is really good, trust me. So this is how it is. Let's get rid of this as well. This is some general information. If you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box. I am not the Windows user, and there's some other specifications. Man, the packaging looks sick. You can see, this looks awesome. And this is Keychron. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting switch pins, whatever. I think, we do not need to do that. And this is the keyboard, man. This looks sick. I mean, here's how it looks. Let me actually take it out. Okay. Oh, come on. It's heavy, man. I think it's sort of like some and what's the stuff? We get some wires, we get some screwdrivers, and we get some these stuff, right? I think I got these things with this keyboard as well, so I have another pair, and some Windows keycaps. So that's cool. We can just keep these there, and we can continue with this keyboard, I believe, which looks quite sick. Okay, so let's take it out. But okay, can you guys please can you please come out? Okay. See, I'm doing all these with one hand and it's hard, right? Don't judge me for that, okay? Okay, there you go. So, here's the keyboard. Oh my god. Oh my god. The sound. Oh my god. This is great. This is great. The keycaps and the combination and the color and everything is kind of awesome. This is, by the way, a very heavy keyboard. In the back, I think you get 2 level of elevation like that, and it's cool. I'm not a professional reviewer, but here was like a short unboxing of this keychron K8 thing. Yeah, that's cool. Let's set this thing up and have a typing test, and let's see how does it go. So guys, right now we'll be having a quick typing test and we'll test it out, like how does it actually feels like to type on this bad boy, and we'll see how does it do. But I'm not sure, like the layout of my previous keyboard, like this one, it's still lighting up for some reason. I could show you, right? So this keyboard, right, the layout and everything was a little different, so I have to just adjust, so I might face some issues there, but yeah, just don't judge my speed, okay? So yeah, it might not be good. Oh man, typing very bad. But this is not definitely this keyboard, this is my skills. Oh, I was 90 words per minute, and this sounds sick. I did not wanted a very loud keyboard, which wakes everybody up in my family. So I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope so you like this short video and a short demo of this Keychron K8 Pro. Thank you. Have a really great day. Thank you. Bye bye.